Is Muhammad Rehan. Today I am here to present a topic which is will AI replace human beings? So what is AI? A robot and a machine which is memorized by a human and has been given a shape as like a human. And in more time, there are more types of AI there are apps and there are website and there are also have a practical shapes. Now will AI replace human being? Here are more comments of the technological related person. So I will say that it is possible that AI will replace human, but not more. As we can see, robots are replacing by waiter. Robots are replacing by engineer, and as well as in Oxford University there is a teacher who is robot. They have reached at teaching. So will we stop it here, or they will destroy all the jobs? So here there is a big job has gone like a graphic designer. By the Photoshop beta, there are more jobs like logo designer, YouTube banner maker, and logo maker. It is gone, but for making and generating the AI designs, they need a person. First we were making a logo in 10 minutes. Now we are capable to make in 5 or 2 minutes. So AI has not replaced us. It has made a easy way to generate something. So here I want to say that if a person is saying that AI is replaced graphic designer, so I will say absolutely not, because a graphic designer know how I have to design and what are the function which I have to use to make it like this. Like someone knows that if a person is graphic designer, so he will know what kind of gradient I have to use in the background, what kind of blur I have to use in background. So for making a picture, a person need which is graphic designer, and it is about raster, it is about Photoshop. Photoshop has been AI, not vector. Raster has been AI, not vector, until we are having vector. So for like CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator, these things can also we can earn money from these, like making animated cartoons background. Now let's come about in the jobs of other, like practical jobs. If anchor is being used, virtual anchor is being used in the TVs, like nowadays the Sana is popular, one of Indian journalist, not journalist, AI. So he is being feed algorithm, and he is presenting like a journalist, but for giving him report and giving him algorithm of in a best way, there need a person. According to a report, AI is not eating the jobs. If AI is eating 7 jobs, so it is providing 9 jobs. Like, but here we have some consequences, like if a person don't know computer, like simple computer, so he will not get in the future any jobs, because the future is going to be just AI. In the Saudi Arabia, there is under construction a project which is called New. It is full of AI. It depend on a line. It is a city, full city, in which 90k person can live. But there you will not get any natural thing, like trees, like air, like rain. But we are going in a era which will be just AI. we have to learn now. We are a student, we are in the age of learning. Now we have to go for AI learning, not go for teaching and like graphic designing. Now if a graphic designing has gone, so we have to go for coding, not go for teaching and the jobs which are at the place of going and which are being aided by AI. So I want to say that the HTML mean the coding is not going to be AI because of cyber crimes. If the AI will be if the coding will be AI, so there will be cyber crimes. Like if a man is hacking mobiles or any ID by his coding, so if AI will help him, so it will be very common to hack someone.